All right, thanks Chivy for filming me. I'm just gonna do the experiment that's on your worksheet. Hey guys. Shh.
Sorry.
Okay, the experiment that's on your worksheet. I'm only gonna show you hexane and water, so cross out acetic acid and isopropanol. One cool thing about hexane, I'm gonna tell you, it's a non-polar molecule. So watch what happens. I'm gonna create a very small stream in this burette. Okay, I'm gonna make this charged wand. This is a charged wand. I need a... Okay, now I look silly. I'm using my shirt to add some static electricity. Let's see if anything happens. Not so, maybe a little. It's not, nothing is really supposed to happen because hexane is non-polar. You can see that the stream is moving ever so slightly towards the charged wand though. We're going to let this burette run out, and then I'm going to test hexane on wax paper. So you guys to watch something. Watch hexane as I put it on this wax paper. Can you get it, Shibby? Mm-hmm. It's not really beating up at all. It beads up slightly, and then look, it's soaking right into the wax paper. I think maybe some of this hexane is tainted. I think it got watered down. Okay, let me show you oil then. Hexane is similar to oil in that it's a non-polar molecule. So watch what happens when I pour the oil on the paper. It does not create these smooth little beads. Notice how it completely flattens out? This is pretty good for cooking. Watch, it's completely flattening out. It's not really beating up. You got that, Shivy? Mm-hmm. Okay, water on the other hand. Watch what happens when I pour some water onto the wax paper. And I'm going to show you, water is a polar molecule. See how it creates those bubbles? Much different than the oil, which is right here. I can move the water around, and it always wants to stay with more water. Kind of crazy. Let's see what happens if I put some water in the burette. And then I'll do some oil, because I'm thinking the hexane was maybe a little tainted. Ooh. It's overflowing a little. Classic Miss O'Neill style. So, got my goggles on. Notice this small, thin stream of water. I'm going to charge this wand. You see how that stream is moving? Can you see that, Shivy? Mm-hmm. It's kind of crazy. So the water is attracted to this wand. I'm kind of thinking it might be a bad idea to put oil in the burette now that I'm thinking about it. But this phenomenon you guys can actually observe. There's some straws back underneath the fume hood, and you can check it out. So follow me to the sink, Shivy. I can create a very small stream of water. That one's actually kind of big. Let's see if it works. Charge the wand. Just using static electricity. Well, that didn't work. Yeah, I have the power. Kind of cool, huh? Now pan to me. All right, guys, I hope that wasn't too confusing. Water, polar molecule, attracted to the wand. Hexane, oil, not attracted to the wand.